Good evening, Miss Nayu. My name is Imade Chandraditya. I am the fourth presenter of this group. I will continue to explain the principle of teaching English to young learners. According to Jean Piaget, 1995, there are three principles of teaching English to young learners. The first one is cognitive interaction principle. The main point of cognitive interaction principle is that the student in elementary school learning by doing. Children in primary or elementary school are usually in what is called the concrete operational stage of cognitive development. This means that they learn through hands-on experience and through manipulation of objects in the environmental. Children in primary or elementary school setting generally learn by doing. It means that when children are learning science or mathematics content, they need to be actively involved in experimenting with mathematics or science material that they can manipulate. When the teacher teaches English, the teacher gives stimulus to the students by giving a picture of the thing or of the topic that the teacher says. For example, when the teacher explaining about table, but the student don't know what is table, so the teacher can use a picture to show it to the student so the student can imagine what the table is. So the student will know about it if they talk, see, and then write it. So the teacher not only teach about the material, but also asks the student to join in the teaching learning process. Then, the second principle is cognitive principle. The basic principle, both of first and second language acquisition, are that acquisition occurs through learners making and testing out hypotheses about language. Language acquisition involves the cognitive work of creative construction of the rules of the language. In terms of the classroom context, an implication is that the learner needs opportunities to use and to experiment with another language. Another implication is that mistakes is a natural and inevitable part of learning. In teaching learning process in Indonesia, the teacher uses Bahasa Indonesia and English to make the student easier to understand the target of language. Then, the third principle and the last principle, according to the Jean Piaget 1995, social interaction approach. The social interaction approach believes that the structure of human language may have arisen from the social communicative function. Language plays in human relations. According to Ellis Fillmore Christian and Thomas Carr, 1996, putting this principle into practice would mean that learners need to talk with each other and need to have language input from others. While explaining and do exercise, the teacher allowed the students to do it with friends, so it is stimulating to the student to talk each other and get the information from the other person. So that's all my explanation about the principle of teaching English to young learners according to Jean Piaget. The next material will be explained with my friends. Thank you, Miss.